What's up, YouTube? It's April 2nd, the first day of the trading month, and there's still some tomfoolery going on the market today. Jesus, I can't win. Well, I can. I'm green on the day. I'm up a total of 32 bucks. I think it was $50 before commissions, and it's still a frustrating day a little bit. Again, the tomfoolery continues. I thought all that was done yesterday on the 1st. No, first trading day of the month, still going through it a little bit, and it kind of had me hesitant today, but let's get into it. So the stock I chose today was SLS. It was on my Gap and Go scanner. It was gapped up 50+% today, and then as soon as the market opened, I jumped in. I jumped in with margin, got in at 607 and got out at 617. But here's where the tomfoolery comes in. I got out at 617 when I really wanted to get out at 634. So that's 17 cents per share profit that I lost due to what? An order rejection based on no cross trade. What the hell is no cross trade? I don't even know what that is. But the order got rejected. I had to wait and then send another order to sell at 617. That was frustrating. I could have been up even more, but I lost out on 17 cents per share. For some, you know what? Forget that. For everybody, that's too much to lose right there. Because what if I'd only been up 10 cents per share, tried to sell, order rejection due to no cross trade, and then I'm down, if it goes down 17 cents, what? I'm down what, 7 cents per share? So no one has time for 17-cent swings. So I reached out to DAS, the platform that I trade from. So not my broker, actual DAS. I wanted to go to the source. I asked them, hey, what's a cross trade? Why was my order rejected? What's going on? So they didn't really tell me what a cross trade was. I'm gonna look into it a little bit more. They never told me what a cross trade was, but they said their problem wasn't on their end to contact the broker. They may need to check off allowing cross trades, I suppose. So I tried to contact my broker, Sure Trader, maybe Unsure Trader. I tried to contact them. Of course, they weren't responsive right away. I tried to hit them up on the little chat client. That didn't go through, so I submitted a ticket. So I will get to the bottom of this. On cross trades, really quickly. Based on the limited amount of research that I did, a cross trade appears to be when a broker tries to buy and sell shares at the exact same time, and it's coming from their clients, right? So when we send that order through, when they try to execute a buy and a sell order of the same stock at the same time, I think that's considered a cross trade and it can get rejected. So one would say, well, damn, I didn't buy, because I've seen this before. I'm like, yo, I didn't buy and sell a stock at the same time. I've never sent the order at the same time. But based on my understanding, it doesn't necessarily have to come from the exact same client. So you could send a buy, I could send a sell of the same stock, and we could hit the order at the same time, and it won't go through. I believe that's how it works. So, like I said, I'm gonna get to the bottom of it, and if I don't get back to you guys today, tomorrow I will have cleared up the tomfoolery. Hopefully. I mean, the worst thing they can say is, we're not gonna change your account, it is what it is. So, all in all, I was up on that first trade. The order rejection had me a little nervous for trading the rest of the day. I was feeling a little bit uneasy because in the example I said just maybe 35 seconds ago, what if I'm up 10 cents and it drops 17 cents? So it's like, I don't want to jump in. I'm green a little bit on the day. I'm not sure I want to jump back into a trade and then have it go south on me due to an order rejection that has nothing to do with my lack of execution, you know what I'm saying? But I did jump into the stock one more time, but I minimized my ability to take a big loss by taking a lot smaller share size. So with my first trade, I jumped in with margin. I used 85% of my margin account and traded and then got the little 35 bucks, okay? But for my second entry, I only used most of my equity. Yes, I used most of my equity, which is essentially 1/6 of your complete buying power on the day. So I used my equity and I was up 24 cents per share. I got in at 643 for a break of 650, got up and sold at 667. So that was that was an outstanding entry, outstanding exit, but I only profited 17 bucks because I only had 71 shares. Again, I took a lot smaller position, which is smarter. So let's say, again, all of this is executing proper entries and proper exits. If I had 10,000 shares on the first one and then scaled back with 2,000 shares, yes, the profit would be a lot less than my first entry, but you're minimizing the risk. So you're minimizing the gain also, but hey, anything green is better than anything red. So overall, I think I was up $50, maybe $50, $51 before commissions, and after commissions, $32.81 on the day. So not quite 10% after commissions, but before commissions was over 10%. So that's not bad. So again, I'm not mad at my execution, but the order rejection had me a little bit frustrated. Okay? So lessons learned from today. Well, we're going to understand what no cross trades means, and we're going to see if we can get that resolved with my broker, and that's Unsure Trader. They're killing me. I mean, I don't want to give them bad press, but when stuff like this comes up, it's like I shouldn't have everything working against me to make these trades. I understand they have to make money, but they're making their money whether you win or you lose. So it would behoove them, to me, I guess, for people to continue to use their platform to, help us win. Stop giving me, I shouldn't have to call to see if I can get a checkbox marked for cross trades. That's asinine to me. There shouldn't be any blocks unless I'm doing something incorrect or I set up my own blocks as part of my strategy, as part of risk management to not let a trade go through. But that kind of no cross trade thing, that's very annoying. And I don't feel like I should have to put up with it. But if I do, it is what it is. It's noted, and I'll just have to work around it. And so will you if you're using Short Trader, especially as a new trader with very small account. So a little bit more about SLS. Again, out of the open is probably around 580. That moved up to $10 today. But I did not jump in a lot on the stock. I did take the 2 trades, and I was green on both of them. 100% accuracy. Woohoo! That's good, right? I'm pretty stoked about that. No L's. No L season, hopefully. But I didn't jump in on all of that. I probably should have and would have had a much bigger account. I probably could have damn near doubled my account to maybe. I would have made a lot more money today had I jumped in on some other entries and just rode it all the way up to about $10 or maybe around the $9 to $9.50 mark. But I didn't. Again, the order rejection had me a little bit frustrated and had me a little bit apprehensive about jumping into the stock some more. So between watching the stock run up, feeling a little apprehensive, and just doing online research to see and troubleshooting and hitting up the platform and hitting up my broker, I was doing all of that this morning, and I was like, you know what? After those 2 trades, I'm not going to jump back in. I'm just going to watch it run. It's okay to watch things run. Whenever you're not losing money, it's a good time on the stock market. And I gained a little bit, didn't lose anything, saw other people gain tons and saw the stock run up. Hopefully that's indicative of the week that we're gonna have in April. There were some, I guess on Market Watch, there is some blurb about where investors and traders should be happy that the month of April is here. I didn't open it. I don't like a whole bunch of speculation. I only use it as a little bit of technical analysis or maybe somewhat fundamental analysis for some of the technicals that we see when trading stocks. So hopefully this run up was indicative of a great trading week. I don't want to look ahead to the whole month. I'm glad today is over and I'm looking forward to tomorrow. But if we have more runners like that, I'm going to try to be game and capitalize on them. So got me a little bit of winner today. Not a big cushion, but a small win. I'm excited. I'm happy about it. I'm reinvigorated. But the no cross trade thing does have me a little bit upset isn't the word, but I don't know the word to use. But I sure hope Sure Trader helps me out on this. Like, I'm missing money because of this, and we don't have any more time for that. But anyway, hopefully you guys made out on SLS today. I did, and I know if I did, I'm sure you did. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. Stay motivated, hop in the market, trade, go to warriortrading.com. Again, I do not get a commission for this. At the time of this video, they probably don't even know I'm making this video, but I will still big up their platform because you will learn a trade, pun intended, you will learn a trade of trading the stock market that you can probably use for the rest of your life. And you can make money and it won't take you that long to make it. But continue to trade the strategies, remain consistent, stay confident, and I'll see you guys all tomorrow. All right, peace.